All right, what's up, guys? So I'm here. My kayak is back there leaning up against the fence, and what I'm doing today is cleaning it up because I sold it. It's a demo, so that's the kayak that I use all the time. I've been using this Stealth Profisha 525 for about a year now, and but it's a demo. They're all for sale. So I have sold that to a customer in Texas, and I will be cleaning that dude up today. I hope to wax it, but it looks like it's probably going to be just too sunny, and I don't want to wax it in full sun. So what I'm going to do is wash it. Once I wash it, let it dry out all day today, and then tomorrow morning when it's cloudy still, I'm going to go ahead and throw a coat of wax on there and then polish it up for him. It's just a fiberglass kayak, so you treat it just like you would any other fiberglass. I'm just going to wash it with a car wash, and then tomorrow hit it with a cleaner wax and send it to Texas.
Say I've just been an angry person.
So as you can see, my rudder has been snapped off along with my line guard protectors, and it has since rusted. So hopefully it will be easy to get out, and I could just pop another one in there. It's pretty easy to do. I'm just gonna grab a couple of tools real quick and knock it out. Alright, so here's what we have. We have the two rudder cables, God, it's filthy. 2 hex nuts trapping the bracket for the rudder cables, and that goes through the hull. The shaft goes through the hull. So basically all I have to do is take those 2 hex nuts off and replace the rudder. It's very simple. Very easy. Boom. Alright. Shakes. Straighten that dude up. Pop this off. Super easy. What happened was, come on, man. Alright, so plan B, I have to get something to lever that dude off because it is a little bit sort of stuck. So this was not to be expected. Let me go grab something. Alright, I'm back. Got it. And just like that, we have a boom, boom, boom. Alright, let's put that new rudder in there. Sweet carbon fiber. Bam. Here we go. Down and up through the hole. As you can see, this line guard is going to get in the way of this rudder. So I'm going to have to chip this off. This is a 500. This rudder is for a 525, so it's carbon and it's a little bit bigger. Just barely gonna run into that. So I gotta get that off. I'm gonna go grab a tool and just knock that battery off of there. So here's what I got. I have a razor, a screwdriver, and a hammer. Hopefully I won't need the hammer, but you never know. This is epoxy directly on here, so it could be pretty difficult to get off. So let me try to knock it out, and hopefully we can get the fishing. Got them. Just replace them all together. The only issue I see here is the nuts may be too wide. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna have to do, people at home, throw that washer on there, put this dude back on, and then go straight to the lock nut. Bam. Okay. I don't think this should matter, but it might. We're gonna see. Yeah, it's definitely gonna matter. Houston, we have a problem. And the problem is that the shaft isn't as long as the other shaft for the 500. Therefore, I need to get a thinner, like a flatter one of these bangers. And then we're still gonna have like barely enough room for the lock washer or the lock nut at the top. So maybe I need to get 2 of these that are skinnier. So hopefully, having been sourced in South Africa, I can find something here that will work. All right, well, this sort of sucks because the sun's about to come up and it's gonna be beaming on my face while I'm trying to finish doing this repair. But I gotta go to Lowe's and pick up 2 of those bangers, and then I gotta fix it. Then I have to go to school, so I'm against the clock. I am fighting the clock, boys and girls. But luckily, there's a Lowe's like a mile away, so hopefully I can get in there, get some assistance, and get this part. Let's get the part. Let me show you something real dangerous. Happens every day here. Watch this old lady here. She's on a bike. She's actually on a bike. She's riding the bicycle, but she's acting as a pedestrian. So she's riding the bicycle in on the sidewalk A, and then in the crosswalk. It's a real good way to get run over. Real good way to get run over. Dummies. Finally turned into Lowe's. I'm about to park this bad boy. I have like about 10 minutes to get in and out of there, get back to Maggie before she goes to work. Then I have to finish uploading a pile of footage from the SmackDown. Everybody's waiting on me to upload the footage that I got from the camera boat, and I have been super slacky on it. I've been busy with school and shooting a bunch of videos for a project that we're doing there, and I'm also a little bit of a procrastinator, so there's that. Sorry, Joe. Sorry, people. Yeah, let's go in the Lowe's. Problem is that I can't find the nuts that I need. I need more assortment of nuts. Okay, so Lowe's was a fail. Gotta go to a place called Broward Bolt. It looks like the dude in there said I need a half nut. Trying to get a whole nut. I gotta get a half nut. I gotta get 2 half nuts. Broward Bolt, on my way. Never mind. We didn't have to go to Broward Bolt. Let me tell you why. Because I messaged Brett. Brett said, "Hey dummy, why don't you just turn the lock nut upside down so you don't have to put them both on there, put a washer underneath." And that worked. Bam. And then he was like, "Who's your daddy?" "Say you are." So, I'm going fishing, homies.